can't believe I'm at the beach in Tokyo. Because I can't continue being unemployed and just like, wait, am I supposed to be here? Is this... Basically, I'm sleeping in a capsule room tonight and I just checked in and there was like an elevator only for girls. I'm in the women's only elevator. Give you this QR code with like your little like pod. Let's go see. What the hell? It's kind of cool. I feel like I'm in a spaceship. Now I'm going to go to the other side of Tokyo to this beach and I'm excited and I'm running out of time. Queuing for shaved ice. I feel like I'm the only solo person here. Like this is such a like date spot. Yeah, last night in Tokyo, I feel like I should be crying right now, but I'm not crying. Out of these 16 days, I've been at the beach more than I've been like in the city in Japan. Okay, this is like one of the best days of my life. Literally, like I'm trying to enjoy the sunset and like my brain is just like, I really need to go back and like go see the lights. I'm literally gonna play The Walking Dead. What should I do? I'm literally so restless. Like now I'm like trying to enjoy the sunset, but I'm also like, should I be just like going back into like the main area? I need to learn how to be more chill and to like enjoy things because like I'm always just like go. Like literally I've changed like city in Japan for the past 16 days. Oh my god, there's a fish. What is it doing here in New York? New York. go shower. Update, I'm in the shower. So there's like an introduction for the shower. It's super inspiring. So, warm pillar. Droplets flow down over your body, gently immersing you in a new shower. So, unboxing. Pajama set that looks like Katniss Everdeen's. Towel, slippers. Slay. Oh my god. Wait, am I supposed to be here? Is this the evacuation route? Wait, this is kind of scary. Wait, there's people. Okay, so I couldn't sleep. I went up and I just saw that there's a rooftop and there's the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so last thoughts of Tokyo. Japan was way better than I thought it would be. Like I literally just booked the flight and I was like, I'm going. And I planned it in the plane to come here. And I can't believe I saw like the mountains, the sea. I'm being so cringe right now, but the beach. And now I'm going back to London. It's gonna be so weird, like going back. I don't want to go back. Now I have to look for a job. What if I never find a job ever? Maybe I'll just work at Starbucks or something. Make fraps. And literally, like, traveling, it was like the first time, like, officially, like, traveling solo. And like the first day, I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? I'm like halfway across the world. I felt like my whole body had been like flipped upside down. Then after the first day, it was like super chill and just like fine, like just like really like fun and like just like really chill, like no stress. So yeah, if you're ever wanting to like travel solo or anything, like just know you might have 1 or 2 days where it's like feels like kind of scary, but otherwise it's super easy. What job do I want? I don't know. There's like nothing that looks good right now. I don't want to work for a company that's not like sustainable, but I'm being super picky. But like everyone is studying really hard. Like, should I be working? I probably should. Like I'm just talking random things on the roof. Yeah, okay, good night. Good night, Tokyo.